deboned cooked chicken, corn tortillas, green chilies, and a creamy white sauce combine for a delicious, satisfying, gluten-free meal. I cooked my chicken yesterday and refrigerated the broth, so I'll get rid of the fat that has risen to the top. You can also use a store-bought rotisserie chicken, in which case you'll need to use store-bought chicken broth. Spray a 13 by 9 inch baking pan with baking spray and add a little butter to a skillet and cook your onions until clear over medium-high heat. You can also add your chopped onions raw to this recipe if you're okay with that. Meanwhile, chop your chicken into bite-sized pieces, and when your onions are clear, transfer them out of the sauté pan and add a 1/4 cup butter to the skillet. Melt the butter over medium-high heat and then stir in a 1/4 cup of brown rice flour mix. Use a whisk to blend the flour and butter and then add your broth. Cook this over medium to medium-high heat, whisking constantly until it begins to bubble. At that point, check the consistency. Gluten-free white sauce is not intimidating. It's actually much easier and more forgiving than a white sauce made with wheat flour. This is a little too thick, so I'm going to add more broth and then continue to cook it again until it bubbles. This consistency is just right. Add the sour cream, cheese, and green chilies. Then remove this from the heat and set it aside. You'll want to lightly brown your corn tortillas on each side in a dry skillet. This will keep your tortillas from cracking and falling apart as you fill them. Then fill each tortilla with a little onion, some chicken, and a little sauce. Roll them up and place them in your prepared baking dish. Top the enchiladas with the remaining sauce and bake until the edges begin to brown and the center of the casserole is hot. Top with salsa or serve it alongside my calico black bean salad. Check out my playlist for other delicious main dishes like Thai turkey wraps, healthy orange chicken, and lemon fish cakes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to receive new recipes each week.